from one loosely researched piece of news to another, Karpathy has developed auto-research.
Cmd+AI.
I never know if it's Karpathy or Karpathy. I'm sure I researched it and it said Karpathy, but it's spelt Karpathy. So, sorry, Andre. Let us know. Give us a text. Let us know how to say your name.
Yeah.
Andre Karpathy released Auto Research, a project where AI agents autonomously experiment on a single GPU LM training setup overnight, modifying code, running 5-minute training experiments, and iterating towards better models. So this is what confused me. Is it training or is it research for better models? So I released this GitHub repo, which you can download it yourself. The idea, give an AI agent a small but real LLM training setup and let it experiment autonomously overnight. It modifies the code, trains for 5 minutes, and checks if the result is improved. So it's slightly outside of my wheelhouse, really, on the understanding of all of this. But if I revert or resort to my notes here, AI agents can run 100 experiments whilst you sleep, so 12 per hour. And you program MD, which I'm guessing is like its base instructions, which I think I've read that you've got to keep quite light. The agent modifies train.py, which is the Python file. So there's a fixed 5-minute time budget per experiment, and it can run on a single GPU, single file, single metric. So, and it's based on NanoChat. So let me open up NanoChat and see if there's more clarity there. Because Andre Karpathy is a smart dude, and I often find he over-explains things because he's... Oh, so he made NanoChat as well. So NanoChat walked, so auto research can run. NanoChat is the simplest experimental harness for training LLMs. So it's just training a model, I think. I think it's literally just training a model. Hey, let's just try something. Let's try and build something tonight. Back to auto research. I think that, yeah, it's a really simple thing. You download it here. You install the dependencies. You run the prepare script and you can run that. And this hopefully, if everything succeeds, then it means your system is up and running. And then you use Claude code inside of that code base, or Codex, probably Codex, based on the prices of everything. And I think it's intentionally supposed to be slow so that it bypasses like the limits. So you use your limits whilst you're sleeping. Do you know what I mean? I think that's the point. So yeah, look at program MD, kick off a new experiment. Let's do the setup first, and then so it will run through. So whilst I can't impart too much knowledge on what this bloody thing does, what can you get out of it? Is it a new model? I don't know. It's something that I'll play with and experiment and report back on. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.